At the end, what is important, and is also been underlined by Andrea in its initial presentation, our target is to make all knowledge available and the reuse of this knowledge as easy as possible for everybody in the company and for all current and future projects. And of course, this needs a lot of integration across the disciplines. We'll see a little bit later. It's not only engineering; it includes. It will include progressively all the companies from requirements and who manages requirements, which is people that interface with customer and marketplace. To the design and development cycle, to the manufacturing cycle, and to the logistics support cycles. And this goes through, as I said, to all the development life cycle, and represents also how we are currently integrating the design and development environment with the manufacturing environment. We have some quite recent examples, including the new automated production line for the M346, but also other example in F-35 and the empennage of Bombardier, where we have reached a completely paperless process from product design to manufacturing. And with all the information needed for production, which are included in the same environment and made available under the same logic and under the same, let's say, overall system management as all the design and development data. The next approach, as I mentioned previously, is to extend and enlarge the environment of simulation to also to the upfront and to the business intelligence and market analysis and market penetration, starting from where we talk and interact with customer of requirements, mission requirements, functional requirements, and we develop a functional model, moving that to the physical model, and let's say generating several loop of trade-offs, alternatives, and optimization with the help of integrated simulation, which covers not only the optimization of the design, but the optimization of the entire process through the manufacturing and through the logistics support, with the aim and with the intent to minimize the overall program and product costs. And this is the, let's say, pictorial view of how all these concepts are reflected in our AleniaAermacchi project, which is the, let's say, integrator and the backbone of our innovation in process design and development. This project has started some years ago, but has now reached a stage where we have consolidated what I have defined since the beginning, the infrastructural backbone of the project, which is the communication infrastructure and the product lifecycle management infrastructure, and we are entering now in the virtual product prototyping. And to do that, we are moving now from some, I would say, local integration, multidisciplinary experience to a wider integration across the company, and we will see the benefit and complete application of that in the next 2-3 years. And of course, for us, is important how we leverage on partnership to carry on this project. This project needs skills, need people, and needs funding. And we don't have 100% of what we need in resources, skills, and funds within the company. We are, because of that, we're leveraging on partnership and high-level partners where we can find skill, competences, and some support also to fund portion of this project. A lot of our current partners are represented at this conference, and we have done a lot of work with them in the past few years, and will continue in the next few years to reach our overall target. And certainly the contribution that comes from the Italian research districts is very important, and I think it's important also for, not only for us, but in overall terms, the fact that a significant amount of new research projects and new research funds is allocated to these process improvement projects. So it's not only a purely product technology view and approach, but it's also looking to process improvement. And I think this is another area where we can leverage the experience that other industry sectors have done before us, and automotive is one, as I mentioned before. And the concept of virtual hub integration means that in doing that and moving forward in simulation and working at different layers, we have to integrate information at different layers, at individual layers, at group and team level, and at enterprise level, and we have to cover across the board from design and development to testing to manufacturing. So different level of vertical and horizontal integration. All of this matrix produces a lot of bricks that constitutes the elementary cells of our projects and the projects that we are currently developing with this step approach. And last but not least, in doing that, we are very much interested, of course, in defending and protecting the intellectual property of what we develop, but we have also very clear in mind that if we want to make real progress in this field, we have to be able also to share and maximize the potential of sharing our intellectual property with the intellectual property of our partners, and together produce some innovation that generates something more than the simple add-on of the two elementary bricks. And so it's not only defending and protecting, it's leveraging the intellectual property available in our network to move from let's say the traditional environment to a real knowledge network of knowledge environment. Okay, thank you very much to everybody. I trust it will be an interesting conference for everybody, and thanks a lot.